In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure output AC voltage on Falstad. We'll use the free, browser-based Falstad circuit simulator to build a tiny test circuit and then read its AC voltage with the built-in scope. Start by opening your browser and going to falstad.com. On the home page, choose Circuit Simulator. When it loads, switch to the full-screen version so you have more room to work and an easier time placing parts. Create a clean workspace by opening the File menu and selecting New Blank Circuit. You should now see an empty grid. On this canvas, right-click to bring up the Parts menu and choose Add AC Voltage Source, the one-terminal version. Click and drag on the canvas to place and size it. The one-terminal AC source is referenced to ground internally, which makes it perfect for quick signal testing. Next, right-click the canvas again, pick Add Resistor, and click and drag to place it. Position it near the source so the connections will be short and obvious. To connect everything, click the Wire tool and draw wires from the source output node to one side of the resistor, and then complete the return path so the circuit forms a closed loop. As you draw, ensure each wire snaps to the small square connection dots. If a dot doesn't appear, you're not connected yet. With the circuit in place, the simulator starts running automatically. Now let's measure the AC output. Right-click the wire where you want to read the voltage, typically the node between the source and the resistor, and choose View in New Scope. A scope window appears showing the waveform in real time. The horizontal axis is time, and the vertical axis is voltage, referenced to ground. You'll see a sine wave whose amplitude and frequency match the source settings. If the trace looks clipped or too small, it usually means the scale is off or a connection is missing. Double check your wires, especially corners, and make sure the resistor and source are truly linked end to end. You can drag the scope window to a convenient spot while you observe the waveform. That's it. You built a minimal AC source and load, and you measured the output voltage directly on the wire using Falstad's scope. This workflow is quick for sanity checks, filter testing, or comparing nodes in larger circuits. Reuse the same approach anywhere in your design to visualize signals and verify behavior before you ever touch real hardware.